Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Lexus CT200H headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your new headlight bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine is cool to the touch before beginning. For safety, wear protective gloves to avoid skin irritation and prevent contaminating the new bulb with oils from your hands. Next, you will need to access the headlight assembly. This is typically located behind the front bumper area. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or a small cover to gain clear access to the bulb housing. Once visible, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it straight off the old bulb. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring. Now it's time for the replacement. Gently twist the old bulb approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Carefully pull it out. Take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and insert it into the socket. Twist it clockwise about 1/4 turn until it feels secure. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Before finishing up, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check both high and low beams. Once confirmed, carefully reattach any plastic covers or clips you removed earlier, ensuring they are securely fastened. Remember to dispose of your old headlight bulb responsibly, following local environmental guidelines for electronic waste. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.